A kneaded eraser can be found in any artist's toolbox. It can be used to erase a number of drawing materials such as charcoal, graphite, chalk, and pastel. As the name suggests, kneaded erasers can be shaped or molded into various forms depending on the area you're working on. Using your fingers, shape the kneaded eraser into a sharp point. Dab the area you want to lighten with the point of the eraser. Then knead the point back into the rest of the eraser to avoid transferring any of the materials to a new spot on the page. For our example, I'm going to show the hair strands by erasing the shaded area using the point of the eraser. Dabbing 3 or 4 times. Remember to constantly knead the eraser to a point. If you use the flat side of the eraser, it can be used to lighten an area for highlights. Here we have a sample of how it is used in actual portrait. Fold the eraser once to reveal another area that isn't covered in graphite or other drawing materials. Stretch the eraser apart several times for a deeper clean. Kneaded eraser can last a long time if treated properly, but if it becomes stiff and difficult to stretch, maybe it's time to buy a new one. Kneaded eraser can easily pick up dust and dirt, and to lengthen its lifespan, consider storing your eraser in a closed container to protect it from dust and dirt. For me, I considered using emptied paperclip container. If you like this video, pass this on to your friends and classmates. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.